Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk through one of my favorite functions in Microsoft Excel, XLOOKUP. If you're thinking, did she mean to say VLOOKUP? The answer is no. XLOOKUP, available with the introduction of Office 365, is similar to VLOOKUP, but so much simpler. As someone who used to use VLOOKUP on a daily, if not hourly basis, I can tell you that XLOOKUP is the future. Now, let's jump into the how and why. XLOOKUP, simply put, is a function to look up one value or cell and return corresponding values or other cells from a dataset either vertically or horizontally. For example, say you have a list of sales by employee and you want to quickly return a particular employee's sales. First off, with VLOOKUP, I used to spend way too much time making sure my data was in the right order, with my lookup column to the left of my return column. And heaven forbid if I didn't keep track of the little counter at the top before I let up on my mouse to select my range, or I'd have to reselect and count again. With XLOOKUP, all of that goes away. Plus, you get a bunch of extra features. First, all you need is your lookup value, the employee's name in this example, the column or row that you want to find the name in, and the column or row with the data that you want to return. It's that simple. Can you see how powerful this is? And extra features, did you say? Yep. Remember that pesky NA error that VLOOKUP returned if your lookup value wasn't found? Well, XLOOKUP's if not found parameter lets you specify exactly what you want returned if your value isn't found. And having to put 0 or false at the end of your VLOOKUP to look for exact matches? No more of that. XLOOKUP defaults to exact match, so unless you want one of these other options, you don't even have to use this parameter. What about when you wanted to find the last row or column with your lookup value instead of the first one? Sort your data descending, then use VLOOKUP, right? Not anymore. If you don't want to look from the top down, which is the default here, XLOOKUP lets you specify searching from the bottom up with its search mode parameter. And there you have it, the quick and dirty on Excel's XLOOKUP function. If you got value out of this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, so I can help you work smarter, not harder.